Today, we're diving into the world of precision cooking with the Nuwave Precision Induction Cooktop Gold, a game-changer for your kitchen adventures. With a 12-inch shatter-proof ceramic glass surface and a large 8-inch heating coil, this portable cooktop offers 51 pre-programmed temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to fine-tune your cooking with ease. Its intuitive digital controls make on-the-fly adjustments a breeze, ensuring you never have to start over if you want to tweak the heat or cooking time. Safety is paramount with this cooktop, as it automatically shuts off when the set cook time is completed and won't start without cookware on it, eliminating the risk of burns from hot coils or open flames. Perfect for dorms, RVs, or any space with limited power, it features 3 wattage settings, 600, 900, and 1500 watts, so you can cook anywhere, anytime. The innovative design brings the heating coils closer to your cookware for faster, more even heating, while programmable functions let you sear, boil, simmer, and more, making it easy to prepare healthy, delicious meals at the touch of a button. Get ready to cook like a pro with the Nuwave Precision Induction Cooktop Gold, engineered to exceed your expectations and inspire culinary masterpieces.